Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss about the CBSE Class 10 Science Sample Question Paper of 2021 board exam. So let us start with the general instruction design of the question paper. So this is the general instruction of the question paper, and this pattern is totally changed with the previous pattern. And altogether, four sections are there: Section A, Section B, Section C, and Section D. Section A contains 20 questions. Out of 20 questions, 16 questions are very short answer type question, means 1 mark question, not MCQ, very short answer type question. Okay, and four questions like in mathematics, we have case study type question. Here also four questions are of case study based questions, and each question consists five questions. Each question, case study question consists five questions, and the student has to answer any four out of five questions. So altogether 4 into 4, 16 questions are there, and all these questions are objective based questions. Okay, and out of these 16 questions, 3 questions are assertion reason based questions. Okay, assertion reason type questions, and total marks weightage is 32. 32 for section A. Now I have seen first time that the pattern of the number of questions pattern of maths and science both are same. Here also you have 48 questions all together. अगर हम लोग केस स्टडी के भी क्वेश्चंस को इंक्लूड करते हैं, टोटल करते हैं, तो जैसा मैथ्स में किए थे, यहाँ पर भी टोटल 48 क्वेश्चंस हैं. Same number of 1 mark question, same number of 2 mark question, same number of 3 marks question, same number of 5 mark question as we have in standard and basic maths question paper. But the internal choice, number of internal choice questions are different here. So 21 to 26, 6 marks, 6 questions are there, which one question carry 2 marks. So we have 12 marks. Maths में भी थे. And here 7 questions of 3 marks question, each 3 mark question, and the total number of marks is 21. And 5 marks question, 3 questions are there, so 15. So all these 3 sections consist of 48 marks, so total 80 marks. Okay, और सेक्शन डी में जहाँ पे मैथ्स में एक ही चॉइस था इंटरनल, और यहाँ पे 2 चॉइस रहेगा, देयर आर 2 चॉइस. एंड इन 3 marks question in mathematics we have seen 2 internal choice are there, but here we will see only 1 internal choice is there. Okay, so now I am going to show the question paper, and I will discuss each question one by one, and I will tell the chapter also. Only I am going to discuss the question paper. I am not going to discuss the answer marking scheme, that I can take up in the next video. So let us have a look in question paper. Section A will start with uh, first section A. Start with question number 1. First question, internal choice is given, and this question is from acid, bases, and salts. And the second one, chemical name and chemical formula of salt. So this is also from second chapter, acid, bases, and salt. And the third question, which of the following is not observed in homologous series? So this question is from carbon and its compound chapter. Okay, so and the next question, why does the sun appear white at noon? ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है, ये ह्यूमन आई वाला क्वेश्चन है. ओके, not human eye chapter. Okay, and the next one, both a spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have a focal length minus 15 centimeter. What type of mirror and lens are they? So focal length here negativity is given. So this question is from light chapter. And the sixth question, the image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be real, inverted, and larger than the object. Where is the object placed? So, and the internal choice question is there, and this question is from light chapter. And the seventh question, two coils wound on a non-conducting cylindrical rod, coil 1, coil 2. So this is magnetic effect based questions. Okay, now the question number 8 मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट वाले चैप्टर में से है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 8 also is from magnetic effect of electric current chapter. And the question number 9, two unequal resistance are connected in parallel if you are not provided with any other parameters, example numerical value of I and R. What can be said about the voltage drop across the two resistors? Similarly, one more question is there here, and internal choice question. This question is from electricity chapter. And veins are thin walled and have walls. Justify. So this question is from life process chapter. How is the wall of small intestine adapted for performing the function of absorption of food? Out of a goat and a tiger, which one will have a longer small intestine? Justify your answer. One mark question, internal choice. And this question is from life process chapter. Explain how ozone, being a deadly poison, can still perform an essential function for our environment, and give reason why a food chain cannot have more than 4 trophic levels. So this internal choice question is there. This question is from our environment chapter, which is of 5 marks unit. And state the role of pancreas in digestion of food. This is life process chapter. Now 3 questions are there, assertion reason based question. First question जो है this is acid bases and salt question, and second one in with internal choice our environment chapter, and the third one is from heredity chapter. Okay, so these are 16 questions, each question of 1 mark. This is a separate part, and the next 4 part is with some uh, case study or some concept based questions. So read the following and any 4 questions from 5 bits. So all living cells requires energy for various activities. So this question is from life process, and 5 bits are there, and you have to select, all of you have to select attempt any 4 questions. Okay, and similarly the next question number 18. Question number 18, metallic character and non-metallic character is given. So this question is from metals and non-metals question, and here also 5 questions are there, and out of 5 questions a student have to attempt any 4 questions. Now the next is light chapter. This question is from light chapter. One conceptual and one case study is given, and based on this case study, case study question is nothing but it is real life situation based questions. कुछ content दिया रहेगा real life situations से, some that content may be taken from any chapter, but I expect that the CBSE will take whatever the chapter taken in sample paper, the same chapter will take, I expect, but I'm not sure. Okay, so this chapter is from light chapter, and again on the basis of the context given, 5 questions are there. Student have to attempt any 4 questions. So 4 into 4, 16 plus 16, total 32 questions are there, 32 marks. Okay, so this is the last one. Solenoid is a long helical coil of wire. This is magnetic effect of electric current chapter question, and here context is given, one case study is given, and 5 questions are there based on that case study, and 4 questions student have to attempt. Okay, 4 out of 5. So ये हो गया section है, 16 plus 16, 32 marks. Now we are moving towards section B. Okay, so section B में जो first question है, first question is based on life process question or internal choice is given, and the second question is also based on life process, photosynthesis based question is there, and the third question is based on carbon and from chapter carbon and its compound, 2 marks questions, and the 24th question The following observations were made by a student on treating four metals P, Q, R and S with the given salt solution. So ये वाला जो है वो arrange the given samples in the increasing order of reactivity. Write the chemical formula of product formed when Q reacts with copper sulfate solution. Okay, so actually ये वाला जो क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे कुछ बच्चों को ये डाउट था कि ये क्वेश्चन जो है मेटल्स और नॉन मेटल्स से है, बट एक्चुअली आई फील दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम एसिड bases and salts. Okay, and now we'll move towards the next question, question number 25, prism based question. So ये जो question है, this question is from dispersion chapter, that is human eye chapter. Okay, and the colorful world, the chapter name of the chapter. And the question number 26 is from electricity chapter. So section B हो गया. Now section C. Section B में what I observe only one internal choice question is there. Sorry, two. जबकि मैथ्स में भी दो ही थे, राइट. सो दो इंटरनल चॉइस क्वेश्चन, लेकिन 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन में यहाँ पे चेंज है. ओनली वन इंटरनल मार्क्स चॉइस question is there. So first one is, it is based on heredity chapter. It is from heredity chapter, 3 marks question. And the second one, it is from our environment chapter, जो कि 5 marks का unit है. Already 2 marks का question फर्स्ट सेक्शन ए में आ चुका है. सो यहाँ पे ये यूनिट कंप्लीट हो गया, 5 मार्क्स. एक्सप्लेन वेयर एंड हाउ यूरिन इज प्रोड्यूस्ड. दिस इज लाइफ प्रोसेस चैप्टर. And the next chapter is next question is from chemical reaction and equation. Okay, and the 31st question is from periodic table, periodic classification chapter है, जो question chapter number 5 है. And 32 जो question है, this is from carbon and its compound. And the 33rd question is again the chapter, this question is from light chapter, 3 marks question. So यहाँ पे हम लोग का 3 marks का सेक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया. सो इसमें एक ही क्वेश्चन है जिसमें इंटरनल चॉइसेस. सो बहुत बड़ा चेंज है सीबीएसई के पैटर्न में, सीबीएसई क्वेश्चन पेपर के पैटर्न में. एंड दिस pattern will make student a very difficult paper, because now they are going to face 48 questions in maths also, in science also. So it is a big pressure on students. Section D, match the following pH values to the solution given below. So pH value जो है वो acid, bases and salts related question है. So this question is from salt, acid, bases and salt, or internal choice is given to this question. And the 35th question, trace the changes that take place in a flower from gamete formation to fruit formation. So reproduction chapter से है, only one question is there from that chapter, that is of 5 marks. And the last question of the sample paper is from electricity chapter, and internal choice is given. So यहाँ पे यही वाला एक चेंज है जो मैथ्स में मैंने देखा, 5 मार्क्स के एक ही क्वेश्चन में चॉइस था और यहाँ पे 2 क्वेश्चन में है, बट 3 मार्क्स के वहाँ पे 2 इंटरनल चॉइस था, यहाँ पे एक ही है. सो दिस इज द चेंज what I observed in science and maths. Okay, so this is the discussion of all the questions from which chapter it belongs. Now let us let us have a look in the distribution of chapter wise according to this sample paper. So first जो unit है, this unit is from chemistry section. 5 chapters are there. Chemical reaction and equations, only one question is there, that is a 3 marks question. And acid, bases and salts, 2 1 mark question, and 1 assertion and reasoning based questions is there, and 1 2 mark question and 1 5 mark question with internal choice. So altogether 10 marks. And metals and non metals में एक जो पूरा जो केस स्टडी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है 4 मार्क्स का है. And carbon and its compound, 1 mark question, 1 2 mark question, and 1 3 mark question is there. So altogether 6 marks question. And periodic classification of elements, only 1 question is there, 3 marks. So altogether 26 marks का ये unit है, and 14 questions are there from this unit. Now next, world of living unit, इसमें 3 chapters हैं. Life process, how to organisms reproduce, or heredity and evolution, the name of the chapter, but evolution part has been removed. So लाइफ प्रोसेस में 3 क्वेश्चंस हैं, जिसमें एक क्वेश्चन में इंटरनल चॉइस है 1 मार्क में, and one case study question is there 4 marks, and 2 marks there are 2 questions in which one is with internal choice and one 3 mark question. So all together 14 marks from life process chapter, जो कि बहुत स्कोरिंग चैप्टर है. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, बच्चे बहुत सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे मार्क्स बहुत स्कोर करते हैं इस चैप्टर से. एंड रिप्रोडक्शन चैप्टर से एक ही क्वेश्चन है 5 मार्क्स का, एंड हेरिडिटी में से एक असर्शन रीजनिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है और 1 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन जिसमें इंटरनल चॉइस दिया हुआ है. सो 4 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है. सो ऑल टुगेदर 23 मार्क्स का ये यूनिट है. ओके, सो ये इसी साल चेंज हुआ है ये चैप्टर का जो वेटेज है, बिकॉज 1 चैप्टर हैज बीन रिमूव्ड. Okay, now next unit, natural phenomena. 2 chapters are there: light, reflection and refraction, the human eye and the colorful world. Human eye का जो पार्ट है वो इस साल के लिए डिलीट हो गया है. सो फर्स्ट जो चैप्टर है लाइट चैप्टर, उसमें 2 क्वेश्चन है 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, एक विथ इंटरनल चॉइस है और एक केस स्टडी क्वेश्चन है जिसमें 4 क्वेश्चन हैं बच्चों को अटेम्प्ट करने हैं, and 1 3 marks question. So altogether 9 marks, 7 questions. The human eye and the colorful world chapter, only 2 questions are there, one 1 mark and one 2 mark question. So 3 marks total and 2 questions are there. So total 12 marks का ये unit है and 9 questions are there. Now the next effects of current. So 2 chapter है इसमें, electricity और magnetic effects of electric current. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में एक ही क्वेश्चन है 1 मार्क का क्वेश्चन एंड वो विथ इंटरनल चॉइस है, 1 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन एंड 1 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन विथ इंटरनल चॉइस. सो टोटल 8 मार्क्स का ये चैप्टर है. एंड मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट 2 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर ऑफ 1 मार्क एंड 1 केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. सो टोटल 6 मार्क्स और ये यूनिट 14 मार्क्स का है एंड ऑल टुगेदर 9 क्वेश्चंस आर देयर. And the last unit, which is a very scoring unit, natural resources, 5 marks hai. one 1 mark question is there, one more mark question is there of assertion reasoning based questions, or 1 3 marks question. So altogether 3 questions are there, 5 marks weightage. So let us have a flashback of all the chapters together. So this is the blueprint of the sample paper issued by CBSE for 2021 board exam, and altogether 48 questions are there. Okay, so it is a big challenge for all the students to face 48 questions, because इतने सारे questions पहली बार CBSE में set हुआ है, set होने जा रहा है according to the instructions or according to the sample paper issued from CBSE. But if a student practice well with all the sample papers available by from the publisher, or in my blog also I will going to publish my sample paper also, so definitely a student will be able to complete the paper. Okay, so I wish you all the best for your bright future for all the students. So thank you. That's all for today's session. Thank you very much.